We got a 2012 GMC Sierra with a 5.3 in it, with 205,291 miles in it. Customer states he ran out of gas. Went and got some gas, put it in there, won't start, it just clicks. Oh. He said he tried to jump it off. Everything seems to be working. Let's get up under the hood and see what we can figure out on this thing. The big Vortec 5.3. Oh, y'all come go with me. Oh, it's just clicking. Oh, we're gonna have to get this dude pushed in the shop and get some push help out here in a minute. And I'll be back. Here we go. Hey, Cal, you let that chain down? Good. Yeah, we're gonna change that starter. It had a bad starter on that GMC. I figured that's what it was. We did get under there and test it with the power probe. This is your starter motor right here mounted to your transmission, and of course it grounds out. The bolts grounded out to the transmission and the engine. And then you've got battery right here, battery voltage all the time. This wire here should have had 12 volts on it. It did. This wire here is your trigger wire, which comes from your starter relay. When you turn the ignition key to start, it energizes this relay and sends 12 volts to this starter, which engages this starter, and it kicks out and hits the flywheel and spins the engine over. Well, we was getting our 12 volts here, but the starter was not engaging out. It was just clicking, 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 click, 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 every time you'd turn the key over. So we're getting it changed out there right now. I just didn't have any way that I could hold my camera and hold the power probe and hold a flashlight and test that thing in the area it was in. But anyway, we're going to get a starter changed out on that dude, and that's going to be all of this video. We appreciate you from Columbia Auto Service, and we wish you'd drop down in the comment section and leave me a comment. Give me a thumbs up on that like button. Have a blessed day.